Hey guys, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. Just getting this old rocker out of here. Getting ready to put the new one in. Looks like she's pretty rotten in some places here. So, look at that. You can see that she's pretty ripe up into there. Bottom of the door. Down here, inner rocker's gone. And then you got back here, and that's gone. So also that brace that's inside here is also toast. You can see that thing gone. So basically the same thing I had to do to the other side. This one might be actually a little worse. So, but we're working on the 57 today, and getting one step closer to getting this car and project done. So still got a ways to go. Well, I got the bottom door bolts out in the process of trying to remove this door. I got this one up here left. Unfortunately, I can't video this very well because I'm going to have to hang on to the door. So I'll be back. Well, I got the door off, and as you can see, she's pretty rough. So I guess now I'll get under here to this fender, and I'll cut that off. So we'll see how this goes. One of the things that you do have to do is make sure that you make a line where the end of your rocker comes so that you get it back in the right place. So this would be the end of the rocker here. So if you can see that, that's the end of the rocker. But then I put a line here so that I know when I put this piece back in here, the rocker in here, that I have it in the right position. So you need to do that. Something I forgot to do on the first one made it a bit more difficult. So sometimes magic marker is your best friend. This floor is pretty rusty in here. That brace is still there though, most of it. So, get this cut back out of the way. Well, it's kind of looking like I'm going to have to take this front fender off, but that's not such a big deal. And we'll get her off. I see I got a real tiny pinhole right here. I'm going to have to address that, and then she's pretty Swiss cheese on the back. So, but I guess we'll take the fender off and get to her.